What's going on, team? Hope that you're having an amazing start to the week. Check this out, up over $4,000 on the day. I slightly reduced my position size a little bit right now on AMC. Wanted to share with you guys a couple of different things. So like you guys see on the title, that is not by mistake. I really began to step on the gas on AMC. I have $295,000. I'm up over $10,000 on the day with my Fidelity account. And you guys maybe can see these other things right here where I added Carvana, Apple, and Facebook. I bought more of it today. So I wanted to show you guys that. I bought Carvana, 40 shares, which is about $11,000. I bought more Facebook and I bought more Apple. I bought more AMC and I wanted to explain to you why. And am I going to hold it? Am I going to trade it? What's going on, right? So first off, we had an amazing live trading session today with the Learn, Plan, Profit team. If you ever want to tune on in to our live trading sessions, I trade live every single day at market open. All you have to do is message me on Instagram. My only Instagram account, again, my only Instagram account is linked in the description. Message me live trading and that you want to tune on in tomorrow at market open. Just set your alarms and you need to make sure that you tune on in. I'd love to have you join. But when it comes down to AMC, what encouraged me to buy more? And I'm going to share with you my entire plan. On the 1 day, 1 minute chart, when we began to break above 4150, that's a huge resistance level. If you guys take a little bit of a step back, you can see that last week on Friday, we had that resistance right around 41.75, but it's around 41.50 that we have really experienced a previous resistance level. So when looking at this, and it began to really consolidate and act as a resistance level right here with 41.60, you could see why it was building up a lot of just pressure for a potential breakout. So when we broke above 41.50, that's when I really stepped on the gas. I already had some shares of AMC, right? I had about half of this. But I stepped on the gas. I doubled my position size in with 300K to really make the difference. Now that it's a little bit more on the overbought side, full disclosure, right? $300,000 is a lot of money to me. And I don't want to hold $300,000 worth of AMC when it's already this overbought. Trust me, I want AMC to go to the moon. But I need to think about my risk management. And if AMC were to pull on back with $300,000, again, that's a lot of money, right? Even with my Webull position, that'd be about $350K. I don't know if I'd be able to tolerate and stay cool, calm, and collected and stay effective during that pullback. So I've already began to reduce my position size as it began to trade about 42.30. Slowly but surely, I haven't sold my entire position. I will probably still hold about $100,000 to $150,000 worth of AMC stock. But when it comes down to the 300K, I don't want to pretend like I'm holding it and then doing something on the back end, right? Full disclosure, I like talking to you guys openly about my trade. If you want to hold AMC, hold it. If you don't want to touch AMC, then don't trade it, right? At the end of the day, do what's best for your future self. If you choose to hold it and it breaks out, then yes, you are going to be the person that benefits from it. Congratulations. But just as much as if it pulls on back, then you have to be able to tolerate that. Put yourself in a position in which you can tolerate. So I'm not going against the people that are holding. I'm just here to talk openly about how I'm choosing to trade AMC, and that's like treating it like any other stock, right? That's with AMC. Why did I buy more of Facebook, Apple, and why did I buy Carvana, right? Well, I already owned Apple and I already owned Facebook. I just added more to my position size. The market is beginning to establish signs of a support. And this is Apple, this is Facebook. This does not offer the margin that AMC or a more of a relevant, hyped up stock might offer. But the things that I like about Apple and Facebook are that they're consistent, they're bullish, and they're quality companies. And right now, they're a little bit on the cheaper side. So they offer anywhere from around 10 to 15% margin for potential RSI, which is why I began to load up on them, and I will only continue to buy more as they begin to indicate signs of recovery. I'm sure a lot of you guys are just super excited. Also, the NASDAQ market, this is TQQQ, which is a NASDAQ bull ETF, is indicating signs of a recovery. It's a beautiful thing. It's great to see that we had a great end to the last week, and now we're only continuing that bullish momentum this week. Don't get too excited. Don't get too confident, because I don't want to hear you guys complaining if the market pulls back a little bit. But make sure you just stay effective. Don't be afraid to take advantage of an opportunity. Just be empowered to be selective. So I hope that it earned your thumbs up in this video. I hope that you guys are excited. Wanted to provide you guys with a full-on update on everything that I'm either choosing to day trade and or invest in and swing trade. And I hope that you guys enjoyed. Again, friendly reminder, if you guys want to tune on into tomorrow's live trading session, message me on Instagram, and that is linked in the description. Live trading. I respond to all of my DMs. So I hope that it earned your thumbs up. Continue working hard. Continue following dreams. Let your passion be your drive to success. Consider subscribing if you feel like we earned it. And look at this, 42.80, up $4,000 on the day. Only getting started. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.